Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine a warm, sunny day. You are standing on a wide, white sand tropical beach, facing a beautiful, shimmering blue ocean. The beach stretches out for miles and miles on either side, and no one else is in sight. The only sounds you hear are waves softly splashing against the shore, and the faint cries of seagulls circling lazily over the water. The sunshine is pleasantly warm on your skin, and the air smells of salt and the ocean. You are wearing loose, comfortable clothing that floats around you in the gentle breeze. You look down and you notice that you are wearing shoes, but the sand looks so soft, so inviting, that you slip your shoes off and feel the warm sand between your toes. It tickles, and it brings a smile to your face because it feels so good. You turn and begin to walk slowly down the beach. There is no hurry, no destination, no tasks, no deadlines, no obligations. The only thing you have to do right now is to enjoy this moment and to relax. And with every step you take, you become more and more calm.